Good afternoon. Glory to the Father, to the Son, to the Holy Spirit. I'm going to take you up and show you the latest work. I've been doing some work up here. Hello, Presbytera. Hello, everybody else. Going to take you right up there and show it to you. Well, that rock pile is shriveling down little by little. I'll keep hauling them up. Might want to haul one up, though, when I'm going. So let me just grab one. Let's see. Yeah, that'll be a good one. Not quite ready to take that big one yet. Oh, here we are, up to the top. Well, I don't know what to do with this thing. Maybe it'll fit right in here. I don't know. Let's see. Well, no, that would be a definite trip hazard there. Nowhere here. All right. So, put it right up there for now. I'll try to pave out down that way as far as I can go with these stones. I have piles of them, so just got to go around and gather them up. Kind of wore me out, but I still have work to do in here. I'm going to put the pylons through here. Be my next chore today. Probably have to take this heavy shirt off before I go to work. Yeah, I got some black locust up there and black locust over there. You know, that stuff doesn't rot. It's known for lasting a good long time on the ground. It still doesn't rot. It's quite a resiny kind of wood anyway. So anyway, glory to the Father, to the Son, to the Holy Spirit. That's the latest work, I believe. I can't really see it because of the glare here. Well,